How would you like to land a paying client this week that banks you $500 to $1,000 without cold calling, without knocking on doors, without going to networking events, without an email list, without spending money on ads? Sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But it is true. And when you watch this whole video, I'm going to share with you our complete done-for-you system for turning ice-cold leads into paying clients. Aloha, my name's Tom Gaddis, and on behalf of my business partner, Nick Ponte, and our launch partner, Brian Anderson, thanks so much for stopping by our page. Now, we love helping agency owners get more clients, but our real bread and butter comes from working with local businesses and our own agencies. Nick and I have six-figure agencies right here on Maui. Brian has a seven-figure agency called Media Mash in Atlanta, and we live and breathe local marketing every day. Now, if you're not there yet, don't worry. We've helped a lot of people just like you go from no clients to getting their first client to growing six and even seven-figure agencies. Now, how do we do that? Well, most people, when they think about how to grow an agency, they think about it all wrong, right? They focus on the types of services they offer, or they get all wrapped up in fulfillment. But savvy marketers know that fulfillment is the easy part. I mean, in today's age, there's software and outsourcing. Fulfilling is easy. The hard part is getting somebody that has no idea who you are to actually give you money. And that's what Lead Factory is all about. We're going to give you our proven email sequences. We've tested these like crazy. They're for 4 of the most profitable niches that we target across our agencies. And these sequences are specifically designed to turn ice-cold leads into paying clients as quickly as possible. But to do that, right, you're going to need leads. So the first thing we show you inside Lead Factory is how to get more leads than you could ever contact, even if you wanted to, all for free. Then we give you our emails that you can just copy and paste and use as your own. We show you how to automate the whole process, again, using free software, so you don't have to spend any extra money to do this. You simply plug in our emails, you hit send, and within hours, sometimes within minutes, you'll have hungry businesses reaching out to you wanting to work with you. So how do you turn those hot leads into paying clients? Well, that's the last part of Lead Factory. We actually show you our proven strategy for turning those leads into paying clients as quickly as possible. So as you can see, Lead Factory is a complete system. We've worked out all the kinks. We've tested this thing to perfection, so all you have to do is follow the system and start landing paying clients this week. Now, because Lead Factory is a complete system, probably the best thing about it is the price, right? So normally we're going to charge $197 for Lead Factory, and it's a bargain at that price. I mean, here's why. First, if you tried to do this all yourself, it would take you hundreds, probably thousands of hours to figure all this out. If you wanted to hire somebody to do this, I mean, between a designer, a copywriter, you're talking, again, thousands of dollars to do this. But we've tested everything. We've done all of this hard work ourselves. So it's not a question of whether this is going to work. It's going to work. We've put it through the paces. We've battle tested it. Even at the $197 price point. I mean, one client, this thing pays for itself many times over. But because you're here right now, you're not going to pay $197 for Lead Factory. In fact, you're not even going to pay $97. If you act right now and click the buy button below, you can get into Lead Factory for less than $30. That's less than the price of a pizza. Now, to be clear, this discount is only available right now. If you come back later, you'll pay the full price of $197. And it's still a great deal at that price, but why pay more if you don't have to? And remember, Brian, Nick, myself, we're here to help you. We have a great support team that can answer any questions you have about how to get up and running with Lead Factory as quickly as possible. We want you to be successful. So, lock in your discount, scroll down the page, click the buy button below, and we'll see you on the inside of Lead Factory. Aloha.